Do having the right pillows really make a difference when it comes to sleep?
I really hope so. I'm banking on these to help us sleep better.
So we went ahead and we got ourselves some better than standard pillows, and we are going to unbox them and then try them out and give you a review in the future. So let's get into this.
Stay tuned because the pillows are both very different.
I got myself the Hush Grid pillow. This is a hybrid pillow. You can actually change the height of the pillow by taking out some of the fill, which is cool. It also has one side with a TPE gel grid that should keep you cool and is very breathable.
And I got myself the Polar Tropic Pillow, which is a staple pillow. This is a memory foam as well, and it's reversible. So it's the best of both worlds. It can keep you cool or it can keep you warm.
So let's dive into opening these up. Lee, you're up first.
Yes, I am, because apparently it's about an hour for this pillow to fully get its shape.
That's right, you gotta open it up.
Oh, the nail.
I must say, they have some premium packaging on these products. I was super impressed by it.
There you go.
That out of the way for you.
I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it feels so cozy. And I love it. I love the coolness to it. They're just like, oh no, I don't just carry.
You don't
I feel
just
like
use
it's
brute
Christmas
force.
Day. Super excited about this. Me and Michael have been talking about getting new pillows for a while because we've been using standard pillows. And it's just not a vibe anymore. Okay,
No.
use some brute force.
I don't know if we graduated past that.
Got it.
All right.
And it's hard to see the tape because
Everything's clear on it.
okay, give me some time here. Okay. Right.
Need a hand?
Yeah. Nail hurts a little bit, to be honest.
The
Drop
honors of
pillow.
pulling it out? Yeah, we
Don't
don't wanna,
drop it on the
we
floor.
don't wanna drop it on the floor.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, so it's going to look like a regular pillow in about an hour's time. Right now, it doesn't look that impressive, but I promise you, when I tried it at the store, it was really comfy. This side here is for when you want to be warm. This side here is the cold gel side, and it'll keep you cool.
So you're always gonna be on this side, I'm assuming.
Yeah, side all the
But she
time.
runs hot all the time.
I usually run hot, even in the winter time. But honestly, this side's super comfy too when I tried it at the store. So I'm excited to flip it either way. It almost feels like you have two pillows.
So it's gotta open up and do its thing.
Yeah, so open up. It's gonna take about an hour. That's what they said at the store. It's gonna do its thing. It's gonna probably come up a bit, inflate a bit, and yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Sweet. All right, so let's get to opening up this one. It didn't come all compressed, and I think the associate said that's because it has the gel side to it. Oh wow, look at this packaging though. Stars. You can supposed to sleep and see stars. So this right here is the bag they give you to take the fill out of the pillow, and you can store your fill in here. So when you feel like going up, you take it out. When you feel like going down, you put it in here. That's pretty cool, and that's the main reason I went for this pillow, is because I needed that adjustable height. Okay, it's a lot easier to open than yours, I think.
Yeah, what?
So far, let's see.
But it comes in this box because of the grid style, right? Because I think you said.
Yeah, it needs to come already ready because of the grid. They don't want to roll it up. So I'm so excited. All right.
It's so pretty.
So here is the Hush pillow. Look at the grid. That is a grid that I fell in love with. To be honest, laying on this thing, kind of on this pillow, because it just cradled my head so nicely, and it was just so breathable and cool at the same time. Then I loved the fact that it had the standard Hush side on the other side, which is also super comfy when you're looking for a different feel and different vibe. So it's kind of cool to be able to switch which pillow you're sleeping on. So it doesn't really have the warm side, but it is cool and breathable. So that's the thing I like about both of these pillows. They're both cool and breathable because I feel like we'll both be needing that.
Yeah, and I really like this. It's so soft.
Look at that grid. So cool.
As you guys can tell, we are very different in terms of our sleeping patterns. To be honest, I thought that this would work for me a lot better. Michael thought this would work for him a lot better. This had absolutely nothing to do with price, because if it did, then we would go with two of these guys. But to be honest with you, we're very different sleepers. We need different things. And yeah, we decided to go with different pillows.
Yeah, this is memory foam and this is a filled pillow. So we definitely decided to go a different route. This pillow was really good when I tried it as well. It just didn't have the height for me, I felt. My shoulder to head ratio is kind of big, so it wasn't giving me the support I needed, where she looked like she was perfectly fitted to the pillow.
Yeah, I felt like this pillow too, it was comfy, don't get me wrong, it was just a little too elevated. I know you can take some out as well, but I was just getting such a good vibe with this pillow. It felt super comfortable right away, so I'm like, let me go with this guy right here. And to be honest with you, when I want to get my naps in and he's not home, I'll just sneak and try this pillow out.
No, I think I'm gonna have to take this one and lock it away then, you know what I mean?
But then you better not use mine.
Yeah, we'll see, it goes both ways. But right, if it was for price, we definitely would have went with this because they actually had a great deal on for this pillow here. It was buy one, get one free, so it would have made a great value. But this was also given to us at a discount because we didn't take the free pillow, so it kind of worked its way out.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I think you should go for whatever suits your comfort, especially for sleeping, because sleep really helps mental health. It also helps muscle recovery, and that's also why we chose, again, to get the pillows that we're the most comfortable with. So don't chintz out on your sleep because it really, really matters.
100%. So these pillows we're looking at to be a game changer for our sleep, and we're super excited. We're going to be testing them out over the week like we said, and then in a week we'll come back and give you our review, and hopefully we both made a great choice.
Yes, no, I'm super excited to come back in like 7 days, test it out for a few days, and really let you guys know if we still like our choices or if we're regretting them completely.
Because the thing about these that's hectic is their final sales, so if you make a decision, you better just be happy with it.
Happy with it, or suffer for a little bit, or again, sneak, swap pillows, and if you need to swap pillows. But in all honesty, we'll come back because I think that this unboxing deserves a follow-up review to really see if we like the pillow.
100%. And what the associate told me is this is a pillow that you bring to a pillow fight. So if you come after my pillow, I will fight you with this pillow.
This pillow is damn heavy, so he definitely would win. It's super heavy. Mine's much lighter. Mine's a little heavy still, but it's lighter, better than yours.
Yeah, this is like a knock.
And mine's more smaller and petite. I'm more smaller and petite. He's a big guy, so I think that the pillows match our personalities a little bit.
So for now, we're gonna hush up.
Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.